Okay, for those who don't have very good rhythm, we're going to get you started on the right foot or the left. Let's begin with a simple step pattern to get you attuned to the sound and feel.
Ready and tap, tap, tap.
Okay, step to the rhythm, move to the rhythm, slide to the rhythm, spin all over again. Sound and feel the rhythm. Begin with a simple rhythm, slide to the rhythm, spin, do it all over again. Step to the rhythm, move to the rhythm, slide to the rhythm, spin, do it all over again. Sound and feel the rhythm. Begin with a simple rhythm, slide to the rhythm, spin, do it all over again. Spin and do it all over again. Sound and feel the rhythm. Begin with a simple rhythm. Slide to the rhythm. Spin and do it all over again. Let's have some fun, some fun. When our work is done, I wanna dance all night with you. Let's have some fun, some fun. When our work is done, I wanna dance all night with you. Boys, rhythm, spin and do it all over again. Sound and feel the rhythm. Begin with a simple rhythm. Slide to the rhythm. Spin and do it all over again. Step to the rhythm. Move to the rhythm. Slide to the rhythm. Spin and do it all over again. Sound and feel the rhythm. Begin with a simple rhythm. Slide to the rhythm. Spin and do it all over again. Step to the rhythm.